Hi, this is Jonathan Harris from La Tienda. I'm here at our tapas bar to show you our charcuterie sampler. Now this is a great way to serve tapas for friends and family in an amazing presentation. Let me show you what products come with this sampler. Now first we have a cheese sampler of 3 artisan cheeses from La Mancha. We have chorizo sausage from Logroño, all natural. Some handmade crackers. We have mixed olives in an herb marinade. Amazing Marcona almonds roasted in olive oil. Next we have fire roasted piquillo peppers, sweet and delicious. Then we have this sweet onion confit, which kind of balances some of the other savory flavors. And then here we have the famous ham from Spain. First, we have jamón serrano, which is the most popular cured ham across Spain. And then we have the very special jamón ibérico, which is only found in Spain from a very special type of pig. And finally, we have this beautiful olive wood board. It's rustic and it's a great way to present all of these delicious products. To start building the board, I'm going to grab a couple little bowls to hold some of the ingredients. And we'll start with the Marcona almonds. Next, we're going to put out these delicious wood-fired piquillo peppers. These are grown in Lodosa. They are very sweet, they have an amazing texture, and are the best roasted peppers you'll ever try. Now we're going to add some amazing olives from Andalusia. This is mixed olives with garlic and herbs, and it has black olives, little arbequina olives, which are delicious, and then the typical green manzanilla olive. Next, I'm going to put out this delicious sweet onion marmalade. This is onions slow roasted in wine and olive oil. It's amazing, and it kind of contrasts with some of the more savory, salty items on your charcuterie board. All right, next we have this all-natural chorizo sausage from La Rioja, from a beautiful city called Logroño. And I'm just going to slice this up and put some pieces all over the charcuterie board. All right, this is a fully cured chorizo sausage. It has a delicious smoky flavor. I'm going to put a few slices on different areas of the board, so it has a little visual interest. Now I'm going to put out the cheese. In this case, we have some delicious cheeses from La Mancha, one with paprika, one with red wine, and one with rosemary. So it provides a little bit of a visual variety. So I'm going to cut some of this cheese and put it on different parts of the board. All right, so I'm going to put some chunks of this artisan cheese out on the board now. You don't have to put all the cheese out at once. You can hold some in reserve. Next, the star of the charcuterie board, the different types of jamón. I'm going to put slices on different parts of the board so that they're separate and you can try each flavor. We slice our jamón right here at La Tienda. It's interleaved, very easy to separate, very thin. I think you're going to love it. So you can see how this Iberico ham has a dark color and it's just glistening with delicious fat. This particular Iberico is aged for about 2 years. Okay, now the charcuterie board is really taking shape. It's almost done. What I'm going to do is take some of the Marcona almonds and some of the olives and just kind of sprinkle them around, add a little visual interest. Now the charcuterie board is looking fantastic. Look at the variety of colors. You have your amazing meats, cheeses, olives. It's really a great tapas spread. To finish things off, I'm going to pour out some of these crackers from Valencia made with extra virgin olive oil. This amazing charcuterie board only took about 15 minutes to make. It's beautiful and it showcases some of Spain's very best foods. It's sure to impress your guests and your family. And it tastes delicious. So I'm just going to make a little bite for myself. Buen provecho.